Assalamualaikum. My name is Akbar Fiber Jasman and my metric number is 01 DEE1C 066. Okay, so today I want to present about my topic is Velo and Scala. First of all, I want to start about introduction. The introduction is we come into contact with many physical quantities in natural world on a daily basis. For example, things like mass, weight, force and electric charge are physical quantity with which we are all familiar. We know that time, space and physical object have mass. Things have weight due to gravity. We expect force when we open door, walk along the street and kick ball. We'll experience electric charge directly through static shock in winter and through using anything which run on electricity. There are many physical quantity in natural and we can divide them into two broad group called vector and scalar. The scalar is a physical quantity have only number, value or a size, it is magnitude. The scalar tell you how much something there is. The definition of scalar is a physical quantity that has only a magnitude. This is size. For example, a person buy a tub of measuring which is labeled with a mass of 5,000 gram. The mass the tube of measuring is a scalar quantity. It only needs one number to describe it. It is case 5,000 gram. And the vector is a different because they are physical quantity which have a size and a direction. A vector tell you how much of something there is and which direction it is in. The definition of vector is a physical quantity that has both of magnitude and a direction. For example, a car is traveling as along a freeway at 1000 km/h. What we have is here is a vector called the velocity. The car is moving at 100 km/h. This is a magnitude. And we know where it's going as and this is a direction. There's two quantity, the speed and the direction of the car is a magnitude and a direction. Together form a vector and we call velocity. Okay, thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Amar Hakim. My number metric is 01 DEE 21 F1 085. For my path, I took the application vector and scalar in real life. Okay, for scalar, a scalar is a quantity that is fully described by a magnitude only, just magnitude. It is described by just a single number. Some examples of scalar quantities is speed, volume, mass and time. Example is the car is speed in 120 km/h. That's for scalar. For vector, a vector is quantity that has both magnitude and direction. Vector quantities are important in the study of motion. Some example of vector is quantity force, velocity, acceleration and momentum. Acceleration, we can take the car speeding from 10 km/h to 60 km/h. That's we call acceleration. Or weight. Weight is a vector quantity too. Weight an apple is 120 gram. Thank you from me.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Zamir bin Muhammad Zamili. Now I want to continue our presentation about calculation of vector and scalar. Given that OA equals 3i plus 2j plus 2k, and OB equals negative 2i plus 3j plus 5k. Find OA times OB. Solution: OA times OB equals modulus I 3 negative 2 J negative 3 negative 3 K 2 5 equals negative 3 times 5 minus 2 times 3 I minus 3 times 5 minus 2 times negative 2 J plus 3 times 3 minus negative 3 times 2 K equals 21I minus 19J plus 12K.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Farhan MB Yunus from class DEE1C. My matrix number is 01 DEE 21 F1 077. Today I want tell you about conclusion. A scalar is a physical quantity with magnitude only. A vector is a physical quantity with magnitude and direction. Vectors may be represented as arrows where the leg of the arrow indicates the magnitude and the arrowhead indicates the direction of the vector. Okay, what is the importance of scalars and vectors? Okay, vectors and scalars are important in many fields of math and science. Vectors can be defined into dimensional or three-dimensional space. Vector graphics are sometimes used in computers because they can be scaled to a large size without losing any image quality. Thank you.